Want to boost the engagement instantly? Create a fun prompt in Instagram Notes and start the conversation within a few minutes. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to write a prompt on Instagram Notes. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Instagram app on your screen and log in if needed. Tap the messenger icon in the top right corner to access your chat. Look for the notes section at the top of your screen. Tap notes to access the area where you want to add a new note. Type your prompt in the note field. A prompt could be anything like a question you want to feedback on or a fun activity or challenge for your followers. Use emojis and short paragraph to make your notes stand out and easy to read. Once your prompt is written and ready, tap the share at the bottom right. So this is how to write a prompt on Instagram Notes. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.